This is the Unit 2 All Eyes and Ears review before you take your quiz. I want to remind you that this week we've been focusing on VIS, VID as the Latin root word for see and look, and AUD and PHON as the sound for Latin root word here and the Greek root word sound. And so all of these have to do with what we see and what we hear this week. Our first word is visualize, to form a mental image of something. And imagine, it's a verb. Even though I had never been there, I could visualize the crystal blue beaches of Hawaii in my mind. Vista is a pleasing view, especially one seen through a long, narrow opening. We enjoyed the beautiful vista of the mountains through the front window of the cottage. Visionary is a noun, a person with original ideas about what the future will look like or could be like. Steve Jobs' futuristic thinking and creativity made him the most well-known visionary of our time. Audible is an adjective meaning able to be heard. I turned the volume of my phone up so that it would be audible over the loud music of the party. Audition, a noun, an interview for a particular role or job as a singer, actor, dancer, or musician, consisting of a performance. Even though Megan rehearsed for the lead role in the school play, she was still very nervous before the audition. Audience, noun, a group of people who have gathered to watch a performance or public event. The audience gave a standing ovation to the orchestra. Auditorium, a noun, the part of a theater, concert hall, or other public building in which the audience sits. The auditorium was packed with people an hour before the play began. Cacophony, a noun, a mixture of various unpleasant sounds, harsh sounds. The barking dogs, the car alarms, the sirens made up the cacophony of the city. Xylophone, a musical instrument played by striking a row of metal bars of different lengths with one or more small wooden or plastic mallets. She could hear her baby sister playing the xylophone. Phonograph, a noun, a machine that reproduces sound by placing a needle in the contact with a grooved rotating disc, a record player. We listened to some old records on the phonograph. These have been all of the vocabulary words. Now let's go over the actual homework to make sure that you got each of those questions correct as well. Let's take a look at sentence completion. For number 1, we arrived at the auditorium early to get seats for the show. For number 2, I will find out if I made the school play after my audition. For number 3, Thomas Jefferson was an important visionary in U.S. history. His ideas shaped the future of our country. For number 4, I can play many songs on my xylophone. For number 5, if you look between the pine trees, you will see a vista of the valley below. For number 6, make sure your alarm clock is audible or it might not wake you up in the morning. For number 7, I covered my ears from the cacophony of crashing dishes and silverware coming from the kitchen. For number 8, close your eyes and visualize what the setting and the characters of the story look like. For number 9, the audience anxiously waited for the show to start. For number 10, I love listening to old records on my grandfather's phonograph. For the number 2 part, yes or no. For number 1, a phonograph is the most popular way to listen to music today. That answer would be no. For number 2, predicting is one skill a visionary might have. That would be yes. For number 3, an audience might gather to listen to a singer. Yes. For number 4, a cacophony is relaxing and soothing. No. For number 5, an auditorium should be a small and cozy room. No. For number 6, if you visualize something, you are using your eyes. No. For number 7, a xylophone is considered a percussion instrument. That answer would be yes. For number 8, you can only hear something if it is audible. Yes. For number 9, a vista can be found deep underground. No. And for number 10, it's best not to prepare for an audition. No. For 2C, where you're choosing 2 words that best explain or define the root word, for number 1, if I'm looking at the word visualize, The two that would best match it would be imagine and mental. That would be A and B. For number 2, for vista, the two words I'm looking for is view and outside. For number 3, for visionary, I'm looking for creative and inventive. For number 4, for the word audible, I'm looking for loud and hear. For number 5, for the word audition, I'm looking for tryout and interview. For number 6, I'm looking for audience, so I'm looking at watchers and spectators. For number 7, for auditorium, I'm looking for a theater and a concert hall. For number 8, a cacophony, I'm going to be looking for harsh and noisy. For xylophone, it's going to be music and instrument. And for phonograph, it's going to be records and music. For the analogy section, for D, we're going to go through each one of them. So for number 1, a xylophone is to percussion, as a violin is to a string instrument. For number 2, for a visionary, we're looking at a visionary is inventive, just like a genius is intelligent. For number 3, for actor to an audition would be the same thing as C, an athlete to a tryout. For number 4, we're looking at an alarm is audible, just like a sign is visible. For number 5, a vista is pretty, just like a library is quiet. For number 6, a cacophony is to symphony, as the same example would be cruel is to loving. They are opposites of each other. For number 7, the audience listens, so also a student learns. For number 8, visualize in your mind like you learn in a classroom. Records are played on a phonograph, so an MP3 player would be playing iPods. And finally, an auditorium is where we hear performances, like a stadium is where we see games being played. Okay, you could have various answers for E as well as various different answers for what you know. Same thing applies for if you could have optionally also printed the slide and matched it or used arrows to match these words. And you also had optional drawing practice if you chose as well. All right, I've gone over the words for you so that you know what your words are before you take your quiz today.